Alright, now I am boiling the stroganoff sauce that's going to go on top of the noodles, mashallah. These are the flat noodles that will be coated in the stroganoff sauce. Alrighty, mashallah, the Mennonite beef stroganoff came out really nice. Has cream of mushroom soup, sour cream, garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, white onion, organic white onion, and then this sort of organic turkey thigh meat, which they call turkey bacon, but doesn't have pork. It's just the way in which they cut the turkey meat, I guess. And then ground beef from grass-fed cows. So Alhamdulillah has so much flavor, and it's a very classic Americana recipe, which I am very pleased with. Wholesome, definitely would be something good during the winter, I'd say. So I'll post the recipe on Instagram, the Bertari Times app, and here in the description box.